Wouldn't it be wonderful to get perfect light for your hero every single time? Nailing that shot that just screams yes in your heart and mind usually involves having beautiful light on your hero. Today is all about observing the quality of light at your home, office, or restaurant, or wherever you'll be shooting. I've shot at various places at my home, in my studio, cafes, restaurants with both daylight and artificial light. The key is to find a quiet corner away from people and pets so that you're not in their way and you will not feel pressured while they look or feel like you have to hurry up and finish shooting. Next, consider your hero and the type of light that will suit your food story. Let's pop over into Pinterest and let's look at burger photography so I can explain to you what I mean.
Right, so we are in Pinterest again. We are going to observe the type of light that was used to shoot these burgers. I can see that a variety of both soft light as well as hard light was used to shoot these burgers. I could see that there were some highlights as well that were being captured over here on the cheese and on the sauce. Over here on the tomatoes, for example. Some of them on the burger patty, some of them on the sauce. So do note that you will need to have some sort of highlights if there's some sort of oil or glaze or sauce to it. Do check in Capture One or Lightroom to ensure that your highlights are not being blown off or your shadows are not so dark that details have been lost. As you scroll through the images, you have noted things that you like about each image as well as things that you may want to change. For example, you may like the way that this was styled, but maybe those pictures were a bit distracting. So you may actually want to change this out to maybe a glass of beer or a soft drink, for example.
Lastly, do have some light shaping tools on hand such as mirrors or foam core so that you can either block light, direct light or bounce light into your scene. Now go and hunt down your spot with perfect light wherever you are shooting in 2 days' time. See you tomorrow!